Here today we're looking at Porthill Roundabout. So the first vehicle here you can see is going right, but his position is slightly wrong. As you can see, he's on the inside lane. He tries to move over a little bit. He aims for the middle lane here, and then what happens is he would now have to cut across back into his left lane, meaning potentially if there was a vehicle by the side there could be a problem. So if you look on the right hand lane, there's that white van. He's in a really good position. He goes into the right. Now he's aiming for that middle lane. And if you can see, I've filmed this too. So as I come on, I'm doing the same, keeping that white line on my left. That keeps him in the middle lane. And then as the left lane peels off, we are now in the outside lane, which means less likely to be undertaken. And then any vehicles which were there on when I drove were away from and straight onto the A500. So now I'll leave you just watching the roundabout flow. Okay, this is a very unusual perspective of a roundabout because we're roughly at 250 feet and you can see how it flows. Some people do it correctly, some people do it completely wrong. So you have to be ready for this as a driver, always making sure you check your mirrors. But if you start off correctly, then you minimize the dangers of other vehicles. I hope you enjoy these videos and find them useful. If you'd like to book any lessons, please just go to stokedrivingschool.com. We have automatic and manual driving lessons with male and female driving instructors. Thank you.